to Chicmas day 18. Happy Friday. So this evening we are going to finish up wrapping presents because we still have a few other gifts to wrap. I think about 3 gifts to wrap. So we need to finish that up, and what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, so it's like, ooh, it's really dark. So it's just a very chill, relaxing Friday night here at home. I think Jonathan and I will watch a movie this evening because we were supposed to last night, but that didn't end up happening. So maybe we'll watch a movie later after dinner, after tea time. We're heading downstairs and oh my goodness, hang on a second. Prepare everything. Oh my goodness, this was sent over by the Inigas family. Thank you so much, you guys. This was so sweet. Nicole, well, she called me earlier, asked what time do we eat dinner, and she grubhub a meal to us, which is so sweet, very thoughtful, and so generous of you guys. Thank you so much. This is, I guess, the triple dipper from Chili's. You guys know we love the triple dippers. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so thoughtful. Thank you so much, Inigas family. So here's everything plated. We have some egg rolls. I believe these are, I think these are the buffalo wings. They're really good, but these are the ones I normally get in the Southwestern salad. Some wings. Oh my gosh, thank you, you guys.
Hi, Nicole and Brian and the rest of the fam. Thank you so much for this. Was really a pleasant surprise. My goodness. Chili's is one of our favorite places to go to. So you really made our evening. Thank you.
You know what time it is. It is tea with 10, and where's my teacup? The next morning, it's, what time is it? It is about 6:30, and we're gonna have tea time now. I'm telling you, I've been falling asleep at like 9:30, and last night I was so full that I was like, you know what, I can't even have tea or any, like, even a small dessert because I was really full. And then so I just decided to watch some YouTube videos, you know, catch up on everybody's Vlogmas, and then here we are. The next morning, look at that. One of my alarms went off. So here we are the next morning. That's the only thing. Comment below, are you a night owl or are you a morning person? Because lately I've been a morning person and then falling asleep hella early. And I've always been more of a night owl. I love sleeping in, so it's the opposite. I mean, it's like a love-hate kind of thing. I love waking up early because I feel like I'm able to get a lot accomplished, but then I don't like falling asleep early. I'd rather go to sleep like at 1 a.m. Our English tea shop organic tea advent calendar, day number 18. Day number 18. Irish holiday, okay. Organic black tea with ginger, rooibos, and cinnamon. Trader Joe's advent of the cocktail hour, chocolate truffles, day number 18, right up here in the corner. And another milk chocolate. You know what, let me just say that there are 6 different chocolates that you can get in here, and the only one we have not gotten is the pink one. Isn't that ironic? It's pink champagne. The Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, day number 18. My blanket, hang on a second, is right up here. Let's see. Joke of the day. How did the popcorn surprise his friends? Give up? He just popped out of nowhere. All right, and today's popcorn, white chocolate and strawberry popcorn. Yay! Unfortunately, last night we didn't get to watch a movie. We didn't even get to finish up wrapping Christmas gifts, so that's definitely on the to-do list this weekend. Okay, so let's go ahead and try our tea. Oh, this is a good one. It's it reminds me more of like breakfast blend tea. Does that make any sense? But it is really good. It's a good tea. Let's have our chocolate. Honey caramel. White chocolate, strawberry, popcorn. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Today's popcorn. This is a good one. We'll take 2 more. 3 more pieces. Because this is a good one. Let's go through comments, and we're going with Honey Love. Hey Chicky, I bought some Hello Kitty pink wrapping paper at the dollar store beginning in December for my little girls. Can you do an eye makeup similar to the Daiso haul video? Every time I line my bottom eye, it fades. How do you keep the color on the bottom eye? Thank you so much for commenting. You scored a pretty good deal on the Hello Kitty wrapping paper at the dollar store. I didn't even think of checking there. But at least now I know for next time. And also, yes, I'm gonna try to actually film the eye look today, because I believe it's been a while since I filmed a, you know, a makeup type of video, you know, like an eye makeup look. And let me actually scroll to that video. I vaguely remember what I had on the eyes that day. So I'm gonna check my makeup and see, you know, if I can remember which one I used. Get ready for filming. I just kind of, you know, wing it, I guess. I don't really have like a theme that I go with. Sometimes I want to use liner, or I just want to use shadow as my liner. So I don't really plan it out, but I'm gonna try to remember, and if I can remember, I'm going to film it today. So hopefully that video will be up sometime next week. But thank you for the request as well. The Little Light Worker, hey Brittany, love the Juicy Couture face mask, OMG. If you haven't checked out Brittany's channel, I'm gonna link her up in the card area, also down below in the description box. I've been friends with her for oh my gosh, it's been a long time, and it's because of YouTube. It's through YouTube. It's crazy, you know, the friendships that you make because of social media. When did I meet you, Brittany? I think it was Generation Beauty, held by Ipsy, like back in the day. I'm gonna like insert a picture here. And I remember like we hung out, and honestly, like I miss those days of you know, beauty events, and it was just like on a more personal level, at least at that time, because I know now like the last beauty event I went to, something similar to that, it was definitely different, evolved since then, but that was a really cool time. Thank you so much for commenting, Brittany. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 18 here. We're gonna start day 19 in a few hours, because we do have a couple, yeah, actually we have a lot of things that we're gonna be doing today. Filming, you know, we're gonna be wrapping gifts. Yes, we are gonna make that happen today. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today and enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in a few hours for Chicmas day 19. Mwah.